Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Abidal Farzan Rosyidi. So, in this occasion of this video, I would like to give a tutorial how to make a temperature monitor. Before I already make a void distance or the microbit one. This one is microbit. You guys just know this microbit is a robotics. It's like a robotics. The minute guys, I want to play it for a minute. Okay, okay, that's it. So this is the theme of this microbit. Okay, so now I'm gonna make a temperature monitor. First that we need to do is make it make code. What to do? Make code microbit. Guys, and that's it. You can make a new project. Okay. Tutorial. 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 Temperature. Okay. Okay. Make it one. Gonna make the code just like this. Nanti balapan semuanya kok. Okay. So yeah, this is the temperature. It's same like Fahrenheit, Celsius, and remember it's same. And of course, they're using the Indonesian rumus. So we're gonna make this one. Okay. First that we need to do is give a show. Let's not maybe show icon. I want the show icon. No. Show let's. Then show let's. Okay. I'm sorry about really loud in here because fine it is. The guys okay. Button is button A press it. Then look at it again, look at it. Give the time and then change this to the AB and then C to the B. On button, click it. On button B, press it. On button A, press it. On button A and B, press it. Like this one. This A and B. It's like this. A and B is for when you guys clicking these two buttons instead. And then we're gonna see it. This. So okay. We're gonna give this one show number. There's show number. Yeah. Show number in here. Ayo, jadi depannya gimana ya? Right. Show number. This is duplicated two times, and then here we're gonna sit in, and then we go to this one, radio, this radio, and then we're gonna see it. Me guys, see it in input maybe. Yeah, temperature Celsius, and then we're gonna drag this one, change it to the cell. Then this one. Okay. Duplicate this one. Duplicate the compressor. And then go to the math menu. And then take this one. And the plus one. And then the time phone. You're going to see the rules in Indonesian. Okay. Check. We're going to get in here. Then temperature in here. And this is 1.8. And then this one is 30. make it here. Okay, already. And then show string again. Then look at it, and then fa. I don't know how to spell it for name. Fa again. Okay. Fa. Hey. Then we got to here. This again. Okay. Just gonna add this one. Duplicate it. Duplicate it. Change it to plus. This. It. Okay. Then we're gonna show string. Duplicate again. And then make it in the on button A and B press. You guys see it in here, and then you guys can download it here. Download it in here. And look, okay, we gotta see it. Okay, ready, get downloaded. Okay, here one, this one. Download. This is mega. So this is temperature monitoring. I'm gonna go in microbit. Microbit. Okay. Send it to this microbit document, and then yeah, you gotta see it. Okay. Okay. You guys can see it. This is the F logo in here, and then you guys, when you guys press A button like this, A, it will be give a code or maybe they give a number like this one. A button. When you press A button, you guys can see it, the number of this Celsius. And then when you guys press B1, you can see it, the Fahrenheit. And you guys, when you guys press this two button, it's still and show the revenue. Oh yeah, I forgot. Change the Celsius in the revenue. Yes, no, grammar. So the yeah, the point is like that. Yeah, maybe that's all about the tutorial about this video. I'm sorry for mistaken word, and then yeah, when you voice in here and loud this video. Okay, maybe that's all about me. This video. I'm sorry for mistaken words. Very sorry, guys. And then once more for you, for me, we cannot get anything without doing anything. That goes for me. I'm sorry for mistaken words. Okay, that's it I want to say. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you guys in the next video. Bye.